Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ansha Khokhar and I am the daughter of Muhammad Khokhar. We are gathered here today to honor the memory of Muhammad Maqbool Butt, a visionary Kashmiri leader who was sentenced to death in 1984. Maqbool Butt was a freedom fighter, a journalist, a literary person. Unfortunately, even in death, he was denied the dignity of a proper burial, and his body remains in TR jail, away from his loved ones and his comrades. And among the many powerful words that Maqbool Butt left behind, one word stood out to me: exploitation. He wrote to Raja Muzaffar Sahib, "My only crime is that I have rebelled against the forces of obscurantism, ignorance, greed, exploitation, slavery, nepotism, and hypocrisy." Exploitation is when power is used unfairly to control, suppress, and take away the rights of others. It exists in systems that put personal gain over justice, silence voices of resistance, and deny people their freedom. Maqbool Butt understood that exploitation is not just about physical oppression, but also about the way people's minds and futures are controlled. To fight exploitation is to rebel against injustice with truth, knowledge, and perseverance. Butt believed that no nation and no people should accept being treated less than others. And his struggle was not just for himself, but for future generations to understand their worth and stand against oppression in all of its forms. Today, as we remember him, let us reflect on how we can break the chains of exploitation in our own lives and communities by seeking truth, standing up for fairness, and never allowing fear to silence us. This is the legacy that he has left us, and it is our responsibility to carry it forward. Thank you.